Mr. Barr here again for another PowerPoint lesson. What we've done so far is slide 1. We inserted the hard image, changed the background colors and whatnot. Then we did a table insertion, shaded, beveled, all that type of stuff, green background, font changes, center, image added, changed the background to 3 to gradient fill, inserted the Excel table and changed the size of the Excel table, and that's where we'll be starting today, is by double clicking on the Excel table. And when you do so, by double clicking on it, in a way you've now opened up Excel. So now we're actively working in Excel. So what it wants us to do now, it says to click on number 62, and it says to change the number 62 for projected to 71, and change the downtown projected to 78. And in doing so, it changes the total to 149. It should save it to being that, I hope. Let me see here. So save it again up there. Then it says let's go down to good old slide 4. And when we click on slide 4, says delete the title placeholder and the content placeholder, so that there's nothing there. So it should be a blank page like this. So from here to here, when it should be nothing there anymore. Once you do that, then it says to go to this thing, go to our downloads, and under downloads there's this. They say to click on this one right here, which is the comparison, so it should look like that. Click enable editing on that so that we can actively do some work on that. And it says to click above the chart so that it selects all of it, not like this where it's only selecting the table. Click up here so that these bars are all the way around it. And then it says to go to copy. And then it says to go to 4. And it says to go to paste, and there's a couple different options. The one they want us to select is this one right here that keeps source formatting and link data. So I click on that and it should throw it onto the page. Once I click on that, it should look like this, which again is probably a little bit small, and it says to then go to right click on that and go to Format Chart Area and go to our size and position once again. It says to lock the aspect ratio, unlike we did last time, and go to 5.5, and it should make it 10.69. And it says close that out. And obviously that's not where we want it yet. So it says, okay, take that, go to Format and click Align Center and Middle. So it aligns it dead down the middle, center, and everything is kind of where it wants to be. Then it says, okay, now that we got it centered in the cell, it says let's go ahead and change what the chart looks like. So we're going to go to Chart Design. And it says Switch Row Column. So it makes it red and blue. Then it says to go to the change the chart type, and what we're going to do is choose column, and it says go to 3D cluster and click OK. And it's going to put a 3D cluster layout for this. And it says, but what it wants us to do is to go to quick layout options, and it says to go down here to layout number 4. Then there's the different chart styles. It says to, at that point, it says go till you find chart style 11. But then, we're not done yet. It says let's go to this one right here, which is our chart styles, and then there should be a color option. The color they want us to do is colorful palette 4, which is this one, which is a green color. So we click on that. Then after we do that, it says to save as we go, as we should be doing always. But then it says, okay, let's think about this, and let's go to chart elements, which I believe is going to be click here and click on the plus, which gives us, it's supposed to give us chart elements. And when we do that, right now we don't have an access title, so it says click on that. And then what you would do is click on the access title there and type in average. Before you type it in, it says to probably change it to 18 on the font. So average minutes in each zone. And I should have done it, and I did not. But it also wanted you to bold that. And then it says here at the bottom, click on Access Title. Same thing, bold and 18, and type in exercise zone. Save as you go.